Welcome to the back of the minivan, which is also our data crew headquarters. Take it away.
Does the distribution of cars in Stockton follow the national distribution of cars? Huh, gang?
I don't know. Let's find out. Well, Jonathan, how are you thinking we should do this experiment?
Well, I was thinking we can go count some cars in some random parking lots.
Sounds pretty decent to me.
Oh, yeah, let's go.
I think we can do that.
Okay.
Let's head out.
We got our samples from 3 types of places. Hardware stores, like
Ace, Sears, Osh.
fast food restaurants, like
McDonald's, Caro's, Chipotle, Wendy's.
and retail stores, like
Toys R Us. Barnes & Noble. This is one of our few selected parking lots.
Can you use it?
Yeah, let's turn it on over to our mathematical genius over here.
Aaron.
I'm gonna be in that part too.
Car.
Car.
Truck.
SUV.
Go.
Car.
What's the last one?
SUV. Truck. Car. SUV. Car. SUV. Truck.
I don't know, what would you classify that as?
Outlier!
Outlier!
Null. The distribution of cars in Stockton follows the national distribution of cars. Alternative. The distribution of cars in Stockton does not follow the national distribution of cars.
Alright, so our assumptions are simple random sample, and we have that because we took samples from different times of day and from different parking lots. Sample size, and our sample size is quite large, it's 499 cars, so this assumption right there is... Our expected cell counts are quite large, each are 5 or more cars, so we satisfy that assumption. And our samples are also independent, so we also satisfy that assumption. Yeah.
Our alpha level was 0.05.
Okay, so to test this, we actually tested stratified samples. So we tested the hardware stores, the restaurants, and the retail stores all separately
Then we
to
combined them.
see if there were any confounding variables. So for the hardware stores, our chi-squared value. Dude, you guys, chi-squared value for the hardware stores was 279. So that translates to a p-value of 0 with a degree of freedom of 2. For restaurants, our chi-value was 121, which is also a p-value of 0. And retail stores, we had a chi-value of 161, which, p-value of 0. Now, we also tested it as a total group, like with all the types of stores in it. And our chi-value for that was 537, which again is a p-value of 0. So with the alpha level of 0.05, we can safely assume that we can reject the null.
Because our p-values are less than 0.05, we can reject our goal. Stockton does not follow the national car distribution. Specifically, there are more trucks and SUVs in Stockton than there are nationwide.
Things that might have affected our results included only testing North Stockton parking lots and only in the daytime. Suggestions for future tests include testing more parking lots across Stockton, such as South Stockton. That's it. The reasons we didn't test in South Stockton were primarily because of our safety.
Wang!
You almost got it.
You're gonna
Yes, I'm going.
edit